In the next few minutes, we'll explore the importance of maintaining a clean and safe learning environment, share best practices, and guide you in choosing the right cleaning services for your school. Let's dive in. A study by the American Institutes for Research shows a clean, safe school environment boosts attendance, well-being, and learning outcomes. Clean facilities boost student attendance and enhance learning, as per studies from the Journal of Exposure Science and Environmental Epidemiology. School cleaning follows best practices, using proper supplies, compliance with regulations, prioritizing high-touch surfaces, following cleaning schedules, and rigorous training. Selecting the right cleaning company is crucial. Research, evaluate experience, licenses, and certifications. Request quotes and assess their commitment to service. Stay ahead with cleaning technology like electrostatic sprayers, robotics, green solutions, microfiber tech, and UVC disinfection systems for next-level cleanliness. Based on the University of Minnesota report, optimized commercial cleaning significantly cuts costs, aiding better budget allocation and ensuring quality. Long-term partnerships encourage collaboration, trust, and accountability, leading to enhanced school maintenance and operations. Green cleaning practices in schools help with a sustainable future. It's a commitment to a brighter tomorrow, from energy efficiency to recycling. Trust Terran Spic and Span for comprehensive school cleaning solutions. We're dedicated to maintaining a clean and safe learning environment for your school. Click below to learn more about our services and create a customized cleaning plan for your school. Let's make your school the best it can be.